Hi, just quickly sharing my experience so far. It's been great. I've had the luck to really network with different people, a lot of incubators and investment firms as well, and universities even, that are really welcoming and looking forward to sharing their network, hopefully. I do want to just develop and focus more on fostering a partnership with other entities that are in the same space as us. The most exciting part is that there's still a lot of booths I haven't checked out, a lot of different sectors. The VR and AR sector is one that I'm very much looking forward to visiting as soon as I step back in. And yeah, so far, a great experience.
And that's a wrap for Leyton at Collsion. Thanks so much for having us. We are so excited to work with all these innovative companies and find out opportunities for them to continue to grow and innovate. Until next time, Collsion, bye.
Thank you, Collsion.